Everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to turn on sync contacts on Viber. You will go to a Viber app. You will click on more. You will go here to settings. You will click on general settings. Then we click on sync contacts on Viber and you will click here on settings. You will access your contacts, so then you can know how to sync contacts on Viber. You can permissions. Here we go to permissions. You will choose contacts and you will allow contacts here to sync contacts on Viber. So that's it. Don't forget to press the bell like and subscribe.